Making extra money doesn't have to be complicated. With a few smart strategies, you can boost your income without completely changing your lifestyle. Whether it's a side hustle or a small investment, there are many simple ways to earn more. In this video, we'll share 10 income hacks that actually work. So make sure you subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any of our latest updates. Let's get started. Number 10. Create an online course. If you know a particular subject or skill, why not share it with others and earn money at the same time? Creating an online course has become an incredibly popular way to make money, and it's simpler than you might think. Platforms like Teachable, Udemy, and Skillshare make it easy to create and sell your course to a global audience. The beauty of an online course is that once it's made, it can provide a steady stream of passive income. You only have to create the content once, but you can sell it over and over again. You could teach anything from cooking, graphic design, fitness training, or even personal finance. The key is to find a subject you are passionate about and knowledgeable in, then break it down into easy-to-understand lessons. As people look to expand their skills, your course could be exactly what they need. Number 9. Buy a rental property. Investing in rental properties is a tried-and-true method for generating long-term wealth. Owning a rental property can provide you with monthly cash flow through rent, and over time, the property itself can be appreciated. Plus, there are tax benefits to owning real estate, which can make it an even more attractive option. However, buying a rental property isn't without its challenges. It requires a significant upfront investment, and you need to factor in costs like property maintenance, management, and insurance. But if you can find the right property in a desirable location, renting it out can be a reliable source of income for years to come. Whether it's a single-family home, an apartment, or even vacation property, renting out real estate is a solid way to build long-term financial security. Number 8. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a popular way to make money online by promoting other people's products or services. How it works is simple. You share a product or service you like, and if someone buys it through your unique referral link, you earn a commission. This is especially effective if you have a blog, website, or a strong social media presence. Affiliate marketing is great because you don't have to deal with the hassle of creating a product or managing inventory. Instead, you focus on sharing products you believe in. You can sign up for affiliate programs through companies like Amazon, CJ Affiliate, or Rakuten. The more traffic you can drive to your affiliate links, the more potential commissions you can earn. It's a straightforward and low-risk way to generate extra income over time. Number 7. Sell stock photos. If you're into photography, selling stock photos can be a fun and creative way to make extra money. Websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Getty Images allow you to upload and sell your photos to individuals and companies who need high-quality images for their projects. Each time someone downloads your photo, you earn a royalty fee. You don't need to be a professional photographer to succeed in selling stock photos. Many companies are looking for simple, everyday images, whether it's landscapes, food, people, or even pets. The key is to upload a variety of high-quality images that can be useful for different purposes. Over time, as more of your photos get downloaded, you can earn a passive income from your photography skills. Number 6. Become a blogger. Blogging has become a fantastic way for people to share their thoughts, expertise, and hobbies while making money. Starting a blog might take some time to gain traction, but once you build an audience, there are multiple ways to monetize it. You can earn money through ad revenue, sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, or even selling digital products. The key to successful blogging is finding your niche and consistently producing valuable content. Whether you blog about travel, personal finance, parenting, or fashion, there's an audience for nearly every topic. Blogging also allows you to express yourself and connect with like-minded people, all while potentially earning a good income over time. Number 5. Renting out your car. If you have a car that you don't use very often, renting it out on platforms like Turo or Getaround can be a clever way to earn some extra money without much effort. Many people look for temporary transportation options, whether they're visiting a new city or need a vehicle for a special occasion. By renting out your car, you can turn it into a source of income rather than letting it sit unused in your driveway. These platforms take care of all the important details for you, including insurance and booking, which makes the process easy and hassle-free. If you live in a busy city or an area that attracts a lot of tourists, you might be able to earn even more money since there is often a higher demand for short-term rentals in those places. Overall, renting your car is a smart way to make it work for you, turning an asset that would otherwise lose value into a chance to generate passive income. Number 4. Create a YouTube channel. YouTube is a huge platform with millions of users watching videos daily. Creating a YouTube channel can be a fantastic way to share your passion, build an audience, and earn money. Whether you enjoy gaming, cooking, tech reviews, or vlogging, there's likely an audience out there interested in your content. Monetizing a YouTube channel can happen in several ways. Once you reach a certain number of subscribers and watch hours, you can earn money from ads. Additionally, you can partner with brands for sponsored content, or even sell merchandise to your fans. The trick is to be consistent with your uploads and create content that engages your audience. While it may take time to build a following, the long-term potential of earning through YouTube can be quite rewarding. Number 3. Designing custom products. Designing custom products is a fun and creative way to express your ideas while also meeting the specific needs of customers. Whether you're thinking about creating clothing, home decor, or gadgets, custom products allow you to stand out in a crowded market. The first step is to brainstorm your product ideas. Consider what types of custom products you're passionate about and what gaps you see in the market. For example, if you love fashion, you might design personalized t-shirts or unique accessories. Next, think about your target audience. Who will buy your products? Understanding your audience helps you tailor your designs to their preferences, making them more appealing. Number 2. High-yield savings accounts. If you're looking for a simple and low-risk way to grow your money, opening a high-yield savings account is a smart move. These accounts offer much higher interest rates than traditional savings accounts, which means your money grows faster without you having to do anything extra. The beauty of high-yield savings accounts is that they are still incredibly safe, as your funds are insured by the FDIC, Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, in the U.S. You can find many online banks offering competitive interest rates, and some accounts have no fees or minimum balance requirements. Number 1. Create an app. Creating an app is an exciting journey that starts with defining its purpose, which is crucial for guiding all subsequent decisions. You'll want to identify your target audience by understanding who will benefit from your app, whether they are students, busy professionals, or fitness enthusiasts. Next, planning the key features is essential. These should be functions that add value, like workout tracking or meal planning for a fitness app. After that, designing a simple and intuitive user interface, UI, is key as it impacts how users interact with your app. When you feel confident, prepare for the launch by creating a marketing plan to promote your app through social media, blogs, and emails, ensuring you follow the submission guidelines for the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. After launch, actively monitor user feedback to identify areas for improvement and keep your users engaged with regular updates that fix bugs and add new features. That's all for today's video. I hope you liked the video. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching.